There are now 32 states where marriage equality is legal. So there was, let me explain this to you. And so there was 19 states prior, and then there was 5 states that went to the Supreme Court to sue, or they asked the Supreme Court to take up their appeal. The Supreme Court refused to take up their appeal, meaning the law of the land in those particular districts stood, which made it 33 states that have now allowed for marriage equality. But pump the brakes, not so fast, because the Supreme Court temporarily blocked gay marriage in Idaho and Nevada Wednesday after a last-minute appeal by the Idaho state officials. Hours later, the stay was lifted by Nevada, and then the requested by the opponents there. The first order, signed by Anthony Kennedy, affected only those 2 states, not the other states affected on Monday's decision, which allowed for 33 states to get it, right? So the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals on Tuesday has followed the High Court's case by striking down same-sex marriage bans in Idaho and Nevada. Only Idaho asked for the Supreme Court to issue a stay. The initial order appears to include Nevada because the appeal cannot be consolidated into 2 separate cases. But within hours and amid much confusion, Kennedy issued another order making it clear that marriage was blocked in Idaho and not Nevada, home to Las Vegas, the so-called marriage capital of the world. At that point, gay marriage opponents in Nevada requested a stay, but they may not have the same rights as the Idaho officials do. We'll have to see what happens, but right now, you can't get married in Idaho. But it does not mean that you can't get married in Virginia, Indiana, Wisconsin, Oklahoma, Utah, as well as Nevada, and all the other states in those districts, meaning South Carolina, North Carolina, West Virginia, Wisconsin. I can't list them all off. I used to know them all off. But basically, at the end of the day, hashtag love is love America, 33 states, in a majority of the United States, you can get married, including Alaska and Arizona. Totes.